What's going on, guys? We're going to do a little technical analysis on Tesla. So the reason I'm making this video, someone from the Discord kind of was wondering, can Tesla go to 750? Maybe it goes to 800. What were my thoughts based on technical analysis? So what I'm looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. Obviously, if we're looking to day trade, we want to be using the 1 hour time frame for our macro view. Obviously, the daily time frame is going to play that into account. However, on the hourly chart, I'll be able to see what the day's highs and day's lows were. So I kind of know the macro levels that Tesla needs to confirm in order for there to be some sort of continuation on either side of the trade. So with that being said, 800 I think is a big stretch. I don't think that we get to 800 tomorrow. Maybe next week on some sort of dead cat rally bounce. It's entirely possible, but a few things need to happen. Here's what we need to focus on and what we need to look at for tomorrow. So $734.41 was today's highs. In order for Tesla to go to 750 or 800, it needs to clear out at least $735 within the first 2 hours of the market. Now, if the momentum is going to be strong tomorrow, you are going to take out today's highs, which is the 19th. Tomorrow will be the 20th. You will take out today's highs, and then you might get a little bit of continuation run. Now, I know the market is very volatile right now. There's a lot of big intraday moves. I've seen Tesla go up 70, 80, $90 in a session before, but to go to 800 is almost 90 points away. In order for a 90-point rally to happen on Tesla, you are going to need the triple Qs to be up 4 or 5%. You are going to need the triple Qs to be screaming higher. Now, if you're not familiar with the triple Qs, that's the NASDAQ 100 ETF. You are going to need the triple Qs to be screaming higher, meaning they're going to be needing to be up in the pre-market, pull back a little bit off the open, find support, catch early shorts, scream through 334, push through 764, and then go another 40 points. I don't think that 800, again, I could be wrong, but I'm saying technically speaking, I don't think Tesla goes to 800 tomorrow. Now, here's something more plausible. If we do take out 735, which is today's highs, I think we have room into 764. Now, do we go all the way to 764? That question is still left to be unanswered, but I think there will be a potential for a trade over 735. Now, to the downside, one thing that we do need to kind of keep a note. The 20 SMA is a very huge indicator. A lot of institutional traders use the 20, they use the 50, they use the 200. So for me, on an intraday move, I'm going to be using and following the 20 a lot. The 20 is still sloping down, but we can see it's starting to flatten out. If this price action does lose the 20 SMA, which currently is $707, this is going to have room down to the pre-market lows of 689. Okay, so below 707 does have room to 689. Below 689, I'm going to tell you, all hell is going to be to pay on a stock like Tesla. I would imagine that the triple Qs are also losing their previous day's support or those recent lows of that 285, 284 area. And I would think that there's going to be a macro move on Tesla to the downside, maybe even, 650, 600, 500, something like that along those lines. I'm not saying in one day, but I'm saying that could start the next leg down. So what we're looking at realistically on Tesla, in order for us to want to really get long on Tesla's going to need to take out 734. Okay. I think that if you were to just jump in very early off of the open under 734, maybe you get in at 720 or 725, I think there's a good possibility that it gets rejected around 730, 735, and then kind of rolls over. And if the market does get weak, you have to remember tomorrow is 0 days till expiration. There's a lot going on. We go into the weekend. Do people and investors and hedge funds, do they want to hold trades over the weekend? It seems like any one news headline can kind of sway the market up or down. You gotta kind of think about that, right? So if we do get rejected at the previous day's highs of 734, this could roll back into the 707, and then any loss of 707 is definitely going to give us room to 689. So just kind of mark out those levels on your chart and stay on top of things, guys. Join the Discord. Make sure you guys become a gold member. Go to evolutiontraders.com, become a gold member, lifetime access to all the paid Discord channels in there, daily watch list, intraday pivots, so forth and so forth, commentary, intraday chart setups, ask questions, whatever, get access to my strategy and training videos, so forth and so forth. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video.